Built into Lightwave's input fields here, and all throughout Lightwave, anywhere you see an input field, you're actually seeing a built-in calculator. Okay, the numeric input fields support basic math operations and algebraic equations. So if we wanted to, we could do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, power. We could do it all right here in the input fields. We can also mix units of measure. So if we're working in meters and we know that we need to move something, say 18 inches, we could type in 18 inches and it would convert it to meters, or vice versa. So let's take a look at how this works. In this scene, I've just got a basic rotation on this box that's going 360 degrees around. But say I wanted it to go around 5 1/4 times, and I didn't really want to have to think, which is kind of me. I don't want to have to think, so I can use the input fields as a calculator. So I'm going to come down to this object, and where it says 360 degrees, I'm just going to type in times 5.25, so 5 1/4, and hit enter, and it gives me 1890. So now whenever I look, I've now got this object rotating around 5 1/4 times. Okay, so I didn't have to go and do the math on that, which that one wasn't that difficult, but you might find yourself wanting to move an item a certain distance, but you don't know the exact distance to type in, but you know that you just need, you know, say 5 feet, and you need to add that to the mix, or it's 5.5 feet or something. I mean, anything that would be where you don't want to have to stop and think and accidentally type in the wrong amount, just know that the input fields, and again, this is not limited to layout, it's in modeler and layout, and anywhere that you see an input field, you can do it. Say I want to add to my frame count where it says 60, I want 3 times the amount, so times 3, and now I got 180 frames. Now again, I'm showing you how bad I am at math by using 60 times 3 as an example, but you get the idea. So anywhere you see an input field, know that you can use it as a basic calculator. Well, you can do basic math operations and algebraic equations, so it's not that basic, but it will come in handy, especially when you're going for when you're trying to figure out the exact distance to type in, or rotation, or angle, or anything like that. Remember that the input fields allow you to use them as a calculator.